Samsung has officially begun the wider global rollout of its much-anticipated One UI 7 update, and things are finally picking up speed. After launching the stable One UI 7 firmware in South Korea earlier this week on April 7, the company is now expanding the update to more regions, starting with Europe and the United States. The first devices to receive this Android 15-based update outside South Korea are from the Galaxy S24 series, specifically the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Users in Germany are already seeing the update hit their devices, and if you own one of these models, you should start keeping an eye out for that update notification anytime now. Samsung tends to roll out major updates in phases, and this case is no different. Although today marks the official start of a broader release, the update isn't arriving for all eligible Galaxy devices just yet. For now, the rollout is focused on the Galaxy S24 lineup, with the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 also expected to get the update very soon, possibly starting today as well. So, if you're using a Samsung flagship from 2024, you're among the lucky first in line. Other eligible devices will be getting One UI 7 in the days to come, so if you own a previous generation model, you won't have to wait too long. Samsung has a history of prioritizing its newest flagship devices when it comes to pushing out major firmware updates, and this time is no different. This approach is familiar to longtime Samsung users and simply follows the pattern we've seen over the past few years. The new One UI 7 update is based on Android 15 and brings some exciting new features and improvements to Samsung's custom interface. One of the most noticeable changes is the refreshed visual design that allows for more customization than ever before. With this version, users get enhanced widget support, a redesigned and more dynamic now bar, and several tweaks that make the interface smoother and more intuitive. What makes One UI 7 especially exciting is the inclusion of new AI-powered features. Samsung has been gradually infusing artificial intelligence across its software experience, and One UI 7 is no exception. These AI features are designed to improve everyday usability and enhance how users interact with their Galaxy devices. Whether it's smarter suggestions, better content summarization, or improved automation in daily tasks, the update promises to elevate the overall experience. The firmware version rolling out for the Galaxy S24 series in Germany is labeled S9X8BXXU4BYCG and includes the April 2025 security patch. At the moment, it's being delivered to users who previously enrolled in the One UI 7 beta program. However, Samsung is expected to make it available to all Galaxy S24 series users, including non-beta testers, very soon. Excitement is building among Galaxy users. The update doesn't just polish up the user interface, it fundamentally improves the way you interact with your device. With a blend of fresh design, deeper customization, smarter AI, and better overall performance, One UI 7 is shaping up to be one of Samsung's most impactful software updates yet. Stay tuned, keep checking your phone, and get ready to explore everything that One UI 7 has to offer. The rollout is officially underway, and it's only a matter of time before your Galaxy device gets its hands on the latest and greatest from Samsung.